We're currently deploying our private 5G network across our production line in Solihull, and we're seeing that as the sort of foundational connectivity layer to get to those next steps of the digital transformation that we're working towards.
So you're using the network to connect manufacturing equipment. What's the benefit of that?
We've got the devices, we've got the automation, but connecting that together, getting the IoT sensors, extracting as much data as possible out of that to drive the efficiencies in the equipment, and ultimately drive that data upwards into future technologies such as AI, digital twins, etc. We need to get that connectivity in place first in order to start on that journey.
So what is the business benefit?
Initially, it's going to be operational efficiency. The more information we can get in terms of condition-based monitoring, predictive maintenance, the more we understand about our machinery and when something may fail and start to intercept that beforehand, that then will drive the uptime, ultimately more vehicles out the door. Even more than that, we're trying to strive for world-class vehicles. The more data we can understand, we can build higher quality vehicles, smarter vehicles. It puts us on the journey of that intelligence.
What does the workforce think about this move to digital industrialization?
Technology doesn't replace humans, it assists them. AI is a tool to assist their job, make them more efficient. There'll be some elements of upskilling or reskilling as these technologies come out.
What's been your biggest challenge with implementing this new strategy?
One of the biggest issues is, it's obviously a very complex landscape. There's a lot of different systems, a lot of different technology involved, a lot of legacy. And you're never going to, or very rarely, be doing a greenfield transformation. It'll be in an existing production line that has to continue running often.
How has Ericsson been as a partner?
The endpoint manufacturers that we use within our facility, they're already working with them. They're already a step ahead, establishing 5G as a data class into their devices ready for us, such that when we do deploy our 5G across the production lines, we've got devices that we can connect to it.
So 5G is just the platform. It's the starting point, really. Are you as excited as I am about what you're going to be able to do with this?
I am indeed. Especially with the obviously the amount of news around AI and how AI is looking to transform a business. Being able to enable and power that AI, being able to feed it with our specific data, so not off-the-shelf models, the data that's true to our specific scenarios, and get the most out of the AI. It's really exciting. It's exciting to be on the leading edge of this.